The one stock which has really been leading the cement stocks lower has been Ambuja Cements. In fact, on last check, the stock is down a good 5% after Credit Suisse downgraded the stock to neutral from the earlier outperform. Navneet Saluja joins us now with more details. Navneet, why the downgrade?
Well, Aisha, if you go by the Credit Suisse report, they've stated that the entire cement space is under pressure because you could see some kind of margin contraction to come in that we saw in the March quarter as well. And because of the weak demand, the companies have not been able to pass on the cost pressure, on back of which it has downgraded the stock of Ambuja to a rating of neutral from an earlier rating of overweight with a target price of about 205. Well, according to Credit Suisse report, it is positive on the cement space going forward. It does expect margin recovery to come in for companies, but specifically for Ambuja, it says that the stock is trading at peak multiples and the margin recovery is already priced in the stock price. That's the reason why the downgrade has come in. And also, if you look at the trend for the prices on year-on-year basis, especially if you look at the June quarter, the cement prices have fallen by about 5%. The other stocks, it says that it prefers ACC in this space. And well, if you look at the rating of ACC, that's outperformed with the target price of about 1505, and it has a rating of neutral for Ultratech with the target price of about 1950. Well, Ambuja is under pressure because probably the numbers will be coming out this week, and well, this time around we are expecting the PAT for the company to go down by about in the range of 35 to 40%. That's what the consensus brokerages are saying. Also, this time around you could expect another margin contraction coming in there for the company.